when you step on the property, when I stepped on the property, instantly I felt like calmer and at ease. And there's something about the energy here that's different than any other place I've ever been in my life. And I am blessed to have traveled all over the world. And then you start to find out about the intention behind the space, and everything kind of makes sense. There's this overwhelming sense of ease and peace that comes, and then you learn that there have been so many people here who have dedicated their time to making this space what it energetically is. So I come back because of the people. The staff is amazing. They're the kindest, most caring and compassionate people, and they are so dedicated to making your time here everything you'd want it to be and so much more. The aesthetic here is unparalleled. I don't think I've ever seen such an exquisite view in my life. And there's just a real genuine sense of caring that you get when you're here. You feel held. And so for that I'm so grateful.
Mi experiencia en Sachaji enseñando ha sido muy positiva, creo por dos razones. Primero, el lugar. Estar al lado del volcán y del lago genera una energía ideal y perfecta para meditar y para que los alumnos crezcan. Y segundo, porque la hospitalidad y el cariño y nos cuidan demasiado. Y eso hace que todos se sientan nutridos y sostenidos.
My name is Kate. I'm from Chicago. I'm actually rarely at a loss for words, but when I'm trying to explain Sakuchi, I am. But the best word to just to describe it is magical. If you're looking for a place of healing and hope and love, this is it. I've been here, this is my second time in 8 months. That's how much the place means to me and how impactful it is. The beauty, the serenity, the kindness, the food, the energy healing, the Kundalini yoga. It's a full, whole body opportunity of wellness, and it is just my new home away from home. I hope you'll love it too.
When I first thought about coming to Sachaji, I wasn't sure what I was going to find here or what to expect. But as I got here, I found this to be the most peaceful, relaxing place I've ever been. And I found it to be a place to find your inner self and your inner strength.
Y como neurólogo me doy cuenta de una cosa, es que dejé de pensar tanto aquí. Mientras apenas entré a este lugar, mis pensamientos se redujeron en número y en intensidad.